Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
हेल्थ विथ आयुर्वेदा चेक बाय दोतोर 2.0 मोहिमेक लोकांचो बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा. राज्याचो भलायकी आनी सुख निर्देशांक वाडोवपा खातीर आयुर्वेद वैजकांची भूमिका सामकी मोलाची आसा आनी आयुर्वेदाचे अच्छे दिन तिकोवपाची जबाबदारी प्रत्येकाची म्हण मुख्यमंत्री उलयलो.
Today, the mental health has become one of the biggest challenge globally. Stress, anxiety, depression, loneliness, and declining happiness index are affecting every section of the society. In this regards, I believe the Goa can become the model state by integrating yoga, meditation, Ayurveda, and mental wellness practices into the community health care. The government of Goa remains committed to supporting such integrative healthcare approaches. On these important occasions, I would like to announce that, and after the successful completion of the Health with Ayurveda campaign, the government will move towards the integration and extending benefits under the Deen Dayal Swasthya Seva framework in coordination with the Department of the Ayush and the stakeholders. Further, the Department of the Ayush and the Goa Ayurveda Council will work closely to expand the awareness of the Ayush system among the masses, the strengthening of the wellness-based healthcare, to ensure the long-term public health benefits for the people of Goa. I also ensure that the government support towards providing the suitable office premises for the efficient operations and to secure for the data management.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.